Good morning. If you guys just got here, make sure you guys comment. Chris, what trade are you in? Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 1x stream to get taken out. Probably see if we trade into this 5-minute and then I'll consider shorts. But yeah, I mean overall we hit our Asia range, but we still have our lower target. So I'm still a little bit bearish, but what's up, Daybot? Bro's dedicated to the trade-a-thon. The post in Discord. Oh shoot. I don't even have the charts on. Sorry guys. That's funny. Haroon is in longs. I'm about to fade you, Haroon. You're about to be my liquidity. No, I'm playing. That's funny. I like how I didn't notice. I was just like admiring my own face. Sorry guys. I'm thinking of I already kind of told you guys, but I'm thinking of this. Boom. Yeah, point out this so sad. That's my thoughts. We have a lot of highs that could be ran, but I don't know. It feels sketchy trying to go long. I'm just not feeling longs. Just puts us. This is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Don't you mark first presented for value gap? No. First presented for value gap. No, I see a lot of people doing that, but that's not my style. I like to just look for good setups, just kind of count out the confluences, and then kind of lets me determine if it's A B setup. This is a pretty bad price action. Initially, I thought because we had like some fair value gaps in here, I thought we'd just run lower, but we're just chopping around. Yeah, there's no displacement yet to the upside. The ICT dojo. I am not long. I am not long. If you check the Telegram, I was actually short before, but I got stopped for break even. So I'm still looking for more shorts. Let's check out the higher time frame. Okay, cool. I haven't really looked. We are in a 15-minute fair value gap right here. So I'll look for if we get some kind of displacement right here. I'll still short, but preferably we run up here into premium. Preferably gold. Nah, I'm for gold honestly. What I'm looking for is I want our next daily candle to trade lower. I'm pretty sure Mark is looking at the same thing. So like I'm gonna wait. If I'm gonna short, I'm probably just gonna wait for next Asia range, because what I'm thinking is this is accumulation. I want to see accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but I want the next distribution leg to happen in the next daily candle like this. So if you enter right now, you're gonna have a worse overall setup, just because like the way gold moves, it's kind of random until Asia range and London hits. Don't say it, man. My bad. I'm not feeling this price action. I'm just gonna let it trade wherever it wants to. So I feel like we should take some kind of buy side and then have our displacement leg. Yes, sir. See if we got in a trade right there. We got cooked. Gotta see some buy side swept. Gotta go M for M. Okay, we're gonna run these highs right here. What time frame do you usually prefer to trade? Um, for in terms of time frame, I kind of like to look at like I'll look at the 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute for like context in terms of delivery. So right now we're sitting inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. And then I go through the lower time frames like this. And because we're in a higher time frame fair value gap, I will the trade is a much higher probability on the lower time frame. Like think of the higher time frame as just giving me context to where price is trading to. And then the lower time frame is where my entry is coming from. But if there's no higher time frame delivery, then it's probably not a good trade. Like I'll just give you an example. Let's just say I wanted to go like, let's just say I wanted to go long in here. Gosh, I don't know what kind of rectangle that is. Let's just say I wanted to get long in here. Like if there's no fair value gap that's on the higher time frame, then it's not going to be a good trade. Which year of ICT mentorship did you like the most? That's a hard one. I honestly like I think you get the most out of 2022 mentorship, but I honestly really liked 2023 because of how like in depth it went. I mean, which session and which hours time in New York time? Oh, like what time frame? I always trade like right after market open, like 9:40. It's kind of like my start time. And then I usually only trade until like, I mean, I'm allowed to trade up to like 11. Like I allow myself that, but I'm usually off the charts by like 10:30. Like I'm just trying to get a quick volatile move. Am I bullish or bearish? I'm mostly bearish. We just hit my target that I want to, and then let's see if we trade lower. Is Top Step 50? Top Step, the first 10K is 100% profit split. After the first 10K, it goes to 90% profit split. Any trade earning? Y'all just came here to be signal bots. Let me take off all this stuff. Have a 5 minutes. So our break evens right here. Okay, we're in a premium. Good job, Manny. Oh, the yeah, so you can only request up to 50% of your balance, which just means like, yeah, say you make 5K on a 50K, you could only pull out 2,500, but think about it, like regardless, you shouldn't be pulling out that much anyways. Like you shouldn't be pulling out more than like 60%, like 50 or 60% anyways. So like it's not even a big deal. That's just for to prevent people from like account hopping, just like running through evals and then pulling max payout. Okay, I'm gonna look for a short right now, guys. I think I'm gonna put my stop at the high. If it doesn't close strongly though, then there's no trade for me. Pull out game strong. What? I don't know, we're not moving, guys. On the 2 minute we closed, but it's a little sketchy. Okay, we look good. Going to increase this to 4. We'll add more later if we need to. I'm a little quiet, guys, because I'm just thinking. Like, this market is moving so slow. Honestly, guys, I'm going straight to break even. We'll probably get stopped out, honestly, but it's just poor trading quality right now. Poor trading conditions. Yeah, that's all right. How do I know if the 5 is gonna hold or be inverted? You don't know, bro. Every trade that you take, there's just a probability of it occurring. Like there's no way I know if it's gonna hold or not. You just have to have faith that your trade analysis is correct, and you gotta have good risk management. Because the reality is, like, you could have like 3 hit stop losses, but then your target still gets hit. But because you didn't go to break even, now you're down 3 trades. So like all these trades that I was shorting, they could have all been losses if I didn't go to break even. Maybe we finally push. Let me throw this target on. I think we'll return to that. Okay, we're trading up. Just throw this right here. Light risk. Probably my final trade. When we go to right here, I'll go to break even. What pairs are these? I can't see it properly. NQ. Actually says it on the back right here. NASDAQ and ES on the left side. That's pretty much my setup every time. I'm looking at this 5 minute and like we should just trade lower. We have no imbalances. This should be a continuation candle. Yes, good setup, good trades. That 1 minute fair value gap got tapped many times. Yeah, I agree. I'm kind of thinking of just cutting the trade off soon. If we don't move within this 5 minute candle. Like this is honestly terrible conditions. Like looking back, maybe I should have just stopped trading after the third break even. But I'm just gonna stick through it. And if it doesn't want to move, then we'll just have to cut it. Yeah. Okay, we took like a quarter. That's like a quarter of RR for me. Probably be my last trade. We're down like $97, so honestly, like nobody won here because I know some people were long, some people were short. It's just what it is. It's a no news Monday. So, uh, going into the next part of the week, Tuesday, tomorrow, I'll probably be more focused on PM session. Wednesday, probably light risk. And then Thursday will be a pretty good price action, I think. Yeah, so break even, break even, break even. Really small loss right here. I guess Manny took a win. Let's take a look at a gold real quick. Then I'll probably hop off the stream. I'm just kind of comparing the gold and on Forex compared to futures. Because we left this low on this broker specifically. Yeah, this looks very bearish to me. That's just my opinion though. We are sitting inside of this bullish for value gap, but I don't know. Just think we have a lot of sell side to run right here. Alright guys, I'm gonna lock this account so I don't do anything stupid. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Probably tomorrow PM session. You guys take care.